Hi, welcome to Keeprix channel. Want to enjoy Netflix movies and shows offline anytime and anywhere? With Keeprix Video Downloader, you can easily download your favorite content. Let's walk through the steps together. Please launch Keeprix Video Downloader on computer. Select the Netflix platform, or you can paste the Netflix video URL directly to access it. Next, sign in your Netflix account. Enter your username and password. Now, browse through all the TV shows and movies available for download. Or search the shows you want to download. You can preview the video. Click the download button. Select your preferred resolution, audio options, subtitles. An output path. Once you're ready, hit download. You can check the download progress in your download list. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Use the pause, re-download, or cancel buttons to manage your downloads. Now you can enjoy your Netflix content wherever you go, on flights, road trips, or just relaxing at home. Thanks for watching.